Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video I'll show you how you can change your birthday on your Google account, means your Gmail account. If you have given a wrong birthday when you're creating this Google account, now if you want to edit it or change it, you can do that actually. And right now I'm showing on mobile itself. Open Chrome and browse to google.com. At right top corner you'll see this profile picture here, which is your Google account profile picture. Tap on that, click on this pencil symbol here, and you need to again click on these three dots here at right top corner, and here you can see birthday settings. You need to tap on this birthday settings and see here the third one. You can customize these settings at any time you're in your birthday settings. Tap on this, and here you can change the date, year, or something like that here, and the month here. And once you're okay with the changes what you have done, okay, by mistake I have clicked something else. Once you're done, and see here, choose who can see your birthday. Actually there are two options, only you and anyone. So if you set to only you, your birthday will be there in this Google account, but no one can be able to see your birthday details. If it is set to anyone, anyone can see your means you, when someone clicks your Google profile, your birthday will be visible to everyone. Yeah. So if you check on this, birthday gets highlighted when someone open your Google profile. So yeah, click on save. Updating your birthday. So this is how you can update, change, or alter your means if you given any wrong while creation of your Google account, you can change it later like this here right from your mobile phone using Google Chrome app. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.